Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Hey, today I want to talk about the AJT key fob case, or AJT FOB case. And what that is, it's this little case that they sell that I think is just awesome. I got one in red, and I got it to match the Tacoma here. You guys can see it's a pretty good match. I think it looks awesome against the Tacoma. And it's just one of those little kind of vanity things, you know, that you can get. Kind of a fun little mod to do. And first off, I wanted to mention just how it's held up. You can see, hopefully, there's no scratches or dents, and it's been dropped a couple of times, I must admit. But it works well, it functions perfectly. The buttons line up and everything with the guts of the key fob underneath, and the little key part that comes off at the top works quite well as well. I'll show you that in a few minutes, because what we're going to do, I'm going to disassemble this and I'm going to put it back to the original. Not because I don't like it, I love it, I think it's awesome, but because we have the new truck on order coming, and I'm not gonna let this go with the truck. Now, what I probably will do, they offer different colors. The truck that I'm getting, of course, is going to be Voodoo Blue, and they offer a Voodoo Blue key fob case. So we're going to replace, ultimately, the key fob that comes with the truck with one of these AJT design cases, because I really do like them. I think it's just one of those, like I said, little things that adds a little something to the truck. So I'm going to set you guys down here. We're going to take this apart. We're going to put everything back in the original key fob case, so that when we trade it off, we're not giving this thing away. Now, what I'll probably do with this, because as I mentioned, I'm going to get a blue one, the Voodoo Blue, to go with the new truck. I'll probably do a giveaway on the channel for this. And my truck back there is a 2018, so it fits, I think it's 2016 on up key fob. So anyway, stay tuned. That'll be coming up in a little while. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss the little contest for this if you're interested in it. But let me set you guys down here, and I'll show you how easily this thing comes apart and how to put it back to the original form. Okay, first of all, you're going to need a big set of locking pliers. Yeah, not really. This is to hold my camera down, so when I angle it down for you guys, it doesn't fall over. You certainly don't need anything like this. Let me go ahead and sit that around the camera so my camera doesn't fall over. All right, it comes in a package like this. I have the original key fob in here now. And let me show you, I said I'd show you guys how you pull out the valet key. There's a little slot or a little push area on the side here. You just push that down like so, and then this just pulls right out. That's all there is to it. This is spring loaded. Put it back in, and then this works just the same as the original does. You just click it back in just like that. That was my pair of pliers that just fell over. So again, you just push in this little indented side here, this little spring-loaded lever, if you will, and pull it right out. It's that easy. It does come with the little tool that you'd need. Now, let me get my camera back set up. There we go. Hopefully that stays. The little tool that you need in this handy-dandy little package here. So let's go ahead and get everything out. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. There is a little slot right here, and that's where the original, or the key, the valet key, fits in. They've designed it so you can actually fit the key itself in the little slot, like so, and then just twist it. And that's how you open the key fob. Now, you'd need to do this if you ever need to change your battery in here. But that's how that comes open. So now we have it open. Point you guys down here now. Let's get the tool out of here. It's just an Allen wrench. You probably have a million of these if you're like me, laying around somewhere. And you just go ahead and take these screws out. Pretty simple to do. have gnats out here. I don't know if you guys can see the gnats flying around. One of the joys of living in a warmer climate, lots of bugs and other critters. Let's get these all loosened up, and then I'll use the long end to pull these off. There. Now we can just pull them out. Set these aside so I don't lose them. Surprised I haven't set the horn or anything off in the truck behind us yet. Hopefully I don't. There, that takes the screws out. And we'll just pull this off. You can see here is the little spring-loaded piece I was talking about. It's got the little spring in here. Just set that aside. And all of the the little buttons are sitting up here now, so we can go ahead and place those back into the original fob. Not too difficult to do. Make sure I have it the right way, of course. I'm going to do it same way that it came out, so let me line this up like so. There you go. You can see them in there. Hopefully they'll stay this time. And then the cover, I'm going to go ahead and put that back on. That's just this little plasticky kind of piece here. You want to make sure I get that in the right way, and I think I have it in upside down. Yeah, just like that. And then we have the guts, of course, which I have upside down right now. That's the right way. You can see the two buttons on the top and the single button on the bottom. Just flip that around. Set that inside here like that. That's all it takes. Now, the fob is in essence back together. By the way, if you ever need to change the battery, this is the battery right here. It is a CR2032 3-volt. I don't know if the camera will pick that up for you. But if you're looking to change or need to change your battery, this is how you would do it. Same procedure. And then let's go ahead and put the fob back on. It just snaps together. Just like so. That's it. And then we have the valet key here. Now let's see. Figure the right way to put it in. It goes like this. And it's supposed to just snap just like that back on. Has the same kind of mechanism right here that you would use, or that we did use on the AGT or AJT design. Works the same way. You push this in like so, and then the key pulls right out. Let go of it, push it back in. You can hear a little snap there. And that puts it all back together, and that's it. Now, as far as these parts go, I'm not going to put it back together because when I give it away, you'd have to take it apart anyway. So we're just going to kind of lay everything in there like so. You guys can see right there, that's it. And then we have the tool. We're going to slip it right back in the bag. Again, it's just an Allen wrench. And then we'll put everything back here in the case. There is a website for these guys that they mention, so you guys can check out how to do this in more detail if need be. Let me say one thing. I am not sponsored by these guys. I just think it's a pretty cool product, so I thought I'd get on here and show it to you guys and kind of take a look at how it's held up. Again, there are no scratches or anything on this. It looks brand new to me anyway. So I don't see anything wrong with it. Pretty darn cool. Slip it back in the bag here. Go ahead and seal it up. And that's really all there is to it. It's a pretty cool, like I said, it's a pretty simple, cool little mod. It takes just that long to do. You guys could time it for the video. I think I've been on about 7.5 minutes so far. with a bit of talking that wasn't really taking this thing apart at all. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. You guys interested in something like this? Would it make a good giveaway? Let me know. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.